Deliverable 2B by Kennedy Harrison and Fred Camusensi. It is important to understand the background of the situation. We understand that it is believed that drilling is soon to be possible in the Arctic, that climate change is not consistent everywhere, and we need to find where climate change is most dramatic. It is also important to understand exactly how we organize the data. In order to decrease the amount of weather stations, we took weather stations that had a majority of blanks or a lack of data and felt that their contribution to the equation or slope would be minimal and deleted them. Additionally, for the years, we decided that global warming began taking place around the same time when gas became a big industry mover, roughly around the mid-1970s. However, in order to have something to relate to before global warming began increasing, we went a few years prior to that date and set 1965 as our start year and deleted the rest of the years before 1965. Therefore, our data runs between 1965 and 2016. For both the average minimum annual temperature and the slopes of each weather station, we find that the weather is not very consistent annually or by weather station. Our graph shows a temperature of roughly -1, while there are some offsetters to about -0.7, which we can see around 1984 or even at 2005. Since these are our bounds, a change of 0.1 or so would be deemed inconsistent, and some changes on our data are larger than 0.1. One of the weather stations with the most significant change is GLM 00004220, also known as Inuit Greenland. This small area on the northern part of Greenland has seen much warming in recent years. A hydropower company called Nukissiorfiit plans on building a hydro plant to take advantage of the extreme warming and melting ice caps occurring through Inuit. Although global warming is seen as a negative, in this case it was seen as a positive for Greenland because they could use the melting water for power.